Hi-de-ho, my lovelies. How's everybody doing today? Welcome. Hope you're having a good Sunday. They fly by, don't they, the days. So what's on the recipe today, Jim? Well, I'm doing a 1 franc Swiss coin. I've done a 2 franc one before, but not a 1 franc. 1974. I remember that year very well. I bought my first motorcycle in 1974, I think. Brand new. £386, yeah, brand new. Right. Let's go over to Big Bertha and whack a hole in it. There we go. This is my 20-ton hydraulic press. That's pretty good. Need to slap on the bottom again. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that little button, bottom right hand corner of the video. Thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, let's go again. There you go. Yeah, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, there's a little red button there. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So, what we're doing, I just want to clean up the edge. See, it's a bit rough and ready. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. Hope everybody had a good weekend. It's still dull here today. Bit drizzly, no sun at all. Just very overcast, you know. But I think we're getting about 6 or 7 minutes a day more light now. That's why I love the summers, it just doesn't get dark, it's great. A little bit more. Yeah, I don't just do coin rings now, I do girls or ladies toe rings, bracelets, all made of coins, cufflinks. What else? Keychains, key fobs. Earrings. There you go. Oh, there's a little bit more in there. There's not really much left of this, is there? Bloody hell. I've still got that bloody head cold. Can't breathe through my nose properly, or... I mean, the cold's gone, I'm just full of... My head's just so thick and full of stuff. Right, there you go. So now we want to show a bit of love with Bernie, the fire starter. This is called annealing. Just softens up the metal a bit so I can work it a bit easier. dry it off. Right, this is 17-degree folding die, and I think it's going to have to be this sunny side up on the ring. So it goes face down. Little level. Right, let's go to big red. And oh yeah, it's like butter. Right. Let's break out Sandy. You just want to make sure there's no cracks forming or splits or chasms. Otherwise, when you come to stretch it, you'll split it. And I don't want a split ring on a Sunday, thank you very much. See? Nice and clean. No cracks. Bit more. Bit for me, bit for you, and a bit for the blonde next door. Right. There you go. That's pretty good. So now, a bit of kitchen roll. We go over to spike. And this is a ring stretcher. I might have to heat this up a bit, then again I might not. It seems very soft, which sometimes means it's going to split. So far, not too bad. How's that looking? That's good. You want the top of the ring to touch this mandrel. So, I think we could now go down to the bottom end of the spike. These are reduction dies. And this straightens up the walls. Excuse me. Sorry about my coughing and stuff, but I can't help it. You're looking for walls to be straight, maybe a touch more. They look very straight. Okie dokie. So, there is a small lip. I don't know if you can see that. There's a small lip in there. That wants to come out because it makes it uncomfortable and gives you a full sizing. If you're looking for a custom ring, I can happily make you one. I've got loads of different coins. You can contact me, see what I've got, and if I've got what the coin you want. You can also send me your own coins. All the rings in my shop, I can make them larger or smaller. You can check it out, yourfingermyring.com. There's a link in the description. So you're cutting that lip out. There's a little bit more in there. This is quite a small ring, but I can make it bigger. I could even make it smaller. That's good. That's nice and clean. That's out. Right, let's break out cake bush. Oh dear, I think I need a new cake bush in here soon. She's looking like she's had a busy weekend. Yeah, it's about +4 today. Getting a bit hot. How's that looking? Nice relief all the way around the ring. That's why I use a kitchen roll on the inside, so you don't lose the relief. Shall we polish this one? Why not? Let's go crazy. Right. Polish. Right, let's get more of this. Yeah, have you got any any coins in a drawer you'd like me to turn into a ring for you? You can send them to me, and I'll turn them into a ring for you. I'll film the whole process just like this, and you can watch me make your ring. I've tried going live a few times, but I think I need a different type of phone. I mean, like this, it's great, but as soon as I go live and you put the phone horizontal like this, that's all I want to know. Ouch. Right, let's have a look and see what we got. Let's clean the old mingers first. My girlfriend cleans this up after I've finished the video because my fingers are still covered in oil and polish. But you get the idea what's going on. That's coming up nice. I personally prefer the Edwin look, but it's nice to do, you know, a shiny one as well. There you go, folks. One Swiss coin. Came out rather good. What size did we get in the end? This is a size, EU size, it's a size 56.5. And the good old US of A size is a size 8.25. So there you go, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a good rest of the Sunday, wherever you are. And a good next week, and I'll see you tomorrow with a bit of luck. No, Kilos Palion. Kilos Palion is thank you very much in Finnish. But anyway, have a great week, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye-bye.